machine hour method or production unit method, kilometer method, etc. What is that etc. is all about? Any depreciation measurable based on any kind of units, kiloliter, barrels, okay. 10 lakhs rupees is the cost we spend for producing 1 lakh barrel, then 10 lakhs divided by 1 lakh. So anything measurable in some type of quantity, machine hour, production units, kilometer, ton, barrel, etc. When you want to depreciate the bus, how do you depreciate? Is it straight line method or WDV method? Both the methods will not be applicable there. Okay, you purchase the bus and kept it unused for 3 years, only doing overhauling and other repair services. That will be really fresh only. Rather than that, if you are driving that in highways, it may be depreciated. If you are driving that in our Trichy road, it will be depreciated in accelerated rate. Yes or no? Double declining method. So if you are keeping the bus idle, it will not be depreciated. If you are driving the bus in the highways, then it will be depreciated slowly. In a road which is full of potholes, will be depreciated faster. Okay, anyhow, it may be calculated. The depreciation for the bus can be calculated based on the number of kilometers driven. Number of kilometers driven. Right. Let's see here. On 1/4/2012, machine purchased for rupees 5 lakhs with a scrap value of rupees 1 lakh has a life of running 2 lakhs machine hours. This machine will work for how many hours? 2 lakhs. Then how do you calculate the depreciation? Under machine hour rate method. Under machine hour rate. Okay. Original value minus scrap value. Original value minus scrap value divided by life in hours. Life in hours. Okay. Now, in this case, 5 lakhs, scrap value being 1 lakh, scrap value being 1 lakh, the life in years here being 2 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs. So 5 lakhs minus 1 lakh, 4 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs, the ultimate value here being 2 rupees per machine hour. For every machine hour usage, the depreciation is equal to 2 rupees. Now, in 12 and 13, 50,000 machine hours used. 13 and 14, 1 lakh machine hours used. 14 and 15, 50,000 machine hours used. Right. 2012, 13 and 13, 14, 14, 15. This is year and machine hours used. Machine hours used. In the very first year, 12, 13, 50,000. 13, 14, 1 lakh. 14, 15, 50,000. And depreciation. Machine hour into rate per means depreciation per machine hour, which is 2 rupees. We have already found out. The very first year, the machine hour being 50 into 2, 1 lakh will be the depreciation in the very first year. In the second year, 1 lakh into 2, 2 lakhs will be the amount of depreciation. In the third year, 50 into 2, 1 lakh will be the amount of depreciation. That's how we'll do the depreciation under machine hour rate method. And can we use that under production units method? Of course, here production in units also given. This machine is capable of producing 1 lakh units. Then how do we calculate the depreciation the same way? Rather than the denominator life in hours, we have to put the life in units. The rest of the things are the same. Production unit method. Production units method. Okay. Original value minus scrap value divided by life in units. Life in production units. Okay. Life in production units. Original value being 5 lakhs. Scrap value being 1 lakh. Scrap value being 1 lakh. Life in production units here being 1 lakh units. So divide that by 1 lakh. Then the value here being how much? rupees 4 is the depreciation per unit. Depreciation per unit. Okay. Now, year and production units, and finally depreciation. Finally, depreciation. Year 2012 13, 13 14, 14 15. In 12 13, 25,000 units produced. 13 14, 50,000 units produced. 14 15, 25,000 units produced. Number of units produced is multiplied with depreciation per unit, which is 4 rupees. 25 into 4, 1 lakh. 50,000 into 4, 2 lakhs. 25,000 into 4, 1 lakh. Hope so you could understand. Come on, make a note of it.